Right, so the last time we saw this was in our buddy Sid's backyard at the lake, and we had a couple visitors come in from Saskatchewan, and they were looking at the one Bombardier, and
it wouldn't start, remember?
yeah, well, we knew it wouldn't start before, but they came from Saskatchewan to visit Dad about some Bombardiers. They wanted to look at some other Bombardiers, and it wouldn't start, so Dad had to take the carb out and clean it up, and that enabled the owner to get it started up. And he dropped it off here at the shop today. I guess the new owners are getting some service. So this machine, on a previous video you guys would have seen, was located at Clearwater Lake, just outside of the Paw, and now, from what we understand, it's been sold. We had nothing to do with the sale of this video other than advertising on our channel here. So now that it's out of the back and it's cleaned up a little bit, well, it's still got to be cleaned up more. What else is you want to maybe showcase on this one here, Dad?
I just want to show them this is a standard shift, eh?
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah. Dad prefers automatics.
no, there's a guy that bought it as a trucker, so
Yeah.
he knows what to do. You throw that D9 seat out because it runs on a compressor which quit.
Yeah.
And put a pair of seats in it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna fire it up.
So this is one thing we didn't actually get a chance to do before, because the carb needed to be cleaned, was actually fired up. So again, this sold as far as we know, and that's why it's parked here, because it's coming in for service.
I took the carb all apart and cleaned it. I had to take a pair of pliers to pull the needle out of the seats.
Oh, okay.
That's how bad it was.
And there you go. Now it's one start. Turn the key and start.
So it does run good now.
Okay. So yeah, so this is at the shop here now, and
Carburetor. It's a 4-barrel. I took it all apart and rebuilt it for him.
yeah, and we got the filter in the front seat there.
Yeah.
And who's this here now?
Somebody here for fucking drink.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty tough having friends. That's having.
Fine. At least I got rid of the other two guys.
Is that what you like there, Emily? Have you ever had duck before?
A mallard or a canvas.
Anyway, so back to the Bombardier here. It's got some body work that needs to be done. Whatever we highlighted in the last video for work. You know, you can easily sink 5-10 grand into a machine like this. And
Body work has to be done. And I'm not satisfied with that kind of wiring.
yeah. What about the blower motor here? Do you like it?
No,
or-
that's good. That's I
Okay.
rebuilt all that.
Yeah.
That part's good. Electric power steering's perfect.
Okay.
And then, unless I take that knob off and inscribe it what the gear shift pattern is, they wouldn't have a clue.
Okay. So,
And he sold these old tires for $1,000 a piece.
oh, well, good.
Jesus Christ, I said I was going to keep them for my commission, or
Yeah.
your commission.
Yeah. But that's sold. So, whatever. It's a
Yeah.
good thing Dad has friends.
I don't need too many more of them, though. Now I got another job in the shop that one of my buddies screwed up. Oh,
Okay, well. Okay, so fun days. It's November 3rd or 4th.
we're going to go and have a shot now.
Okay.
Everybody's gone.
So, anyways, yeah, we're back in the shop here. Gonna leave the fan running in the background here,
I'll shut it off.
but Dad's gonna shut it off. So, what the hell is going on with this thing in the shop?
another friend of mine come in here, and he wanted to change the brake line and whatnot onto the back brakes. So I give him the tools, and he rounded off the nuts on the brake lines. So that's a project for me tomorrow. And he wants to fix this.
Oh, okay.
I told him, you haven't got enough money to fix this.
So
Forget about it.
is this a
Look in here.
is this another freebie job or?
No, this is, it's rotten all the way through.
Yeah, well, that's, you know, if you want to pee on the without getting out, that's a good hole to have. And so
It's just screwed. Even the dash is screwed.
yeah, well,
This is, you know, he's got a,
cat's pretty excited about it though.
oh yeah, well, it's good for the cat.
What do you think, Kitty? Yeah, check it out.
No matter where you look.
So yeah, this truck was parked in the lineup for the last 3-4 years, and I had to tell our buddy,
We changed
We
the
need a cha-
differential,
yeah, I remember that.
drive shaft, got the motor running good,
And then he parked it,
and then he parked it for 2 years.
or
Now
3
his-
years now.
His friend says, well, you can just buy quarter panels here. Nothing in behind here to weld to.
Yeah,
And to put quarter panels on, it's gonna cost him about $3,000 at a body shop. And 1 year later, it's rusted wherever you weld it because the metal is so thin.
yeah.
So I'll put the brakes on for him,
Well, as long as it gets on the other side of the gate.
and he managed to hook this, a perfectly good bumper, on his trailer backing off.
Okay.
You just add to it. 318 4-barrel.
Okay, that might be the most valuable thing in the whole truck.
Yeah. Transmission is leaking.
Mm-hmm. So, fun.
Hopeless. If he could get insurance on it and get a car burning, he might be okay. Anyway, that's another headache for tomorrow.